Finland. Matlashevskyi starts off with a Yuko. Left-sided Morota, so that was that, pardon me. Uchimata attempt from Makinen, and just at the moment he was turning back, Matlashevskyi used that moment. And exactly the same time he launched in for left-sided Kochi Gage. Second Yuko for the Ukrainian within the first 30 seconds. Drop so the attempt from Matlashevskyi. Again, that was the left-sided Kochi, but this time Makinen was aware of that, so he stepped out of it. Matlashevskyi is running out of fuel. A bit early for that. That's penalty for Makinen. And Makinen should respond to that. It's really good that he steps off it, but now he needs to get to the second step and come up with the answer. That was a good move. Left side Uchimata from Makinen. No score. I'm missing the fighting spirit from the Finnish fighter, the one he had during his previous contest. Actually, I was talking to one of my colleagues. We really hope that he's not settled and happy just with the silver or the flag. He's getting a medal again. Almost managed to pull it through. So many opportunities there, but then again, like I said before, it's so easy to talk from here and so hard to be in there and actually go through the contest yourself. Halfway through to this final, Matlashevskyi has got 2 Yuko and Makinen collected the penalty. And there was another coach Yuko. Yuko number 3 on the board. Matlashevskyi is seeking to get some fresh air. I have a feeling that it's until the last moment or the last minute that Makinen will realize, right, this is coming to the end. I actually really won this now. 1 minute and 12 seconds left to go. Penalty for Matlashevskyi, and Makinen is right on it for the grip. Left Uchimata, what a beautiful throw. I'm not quite sure whether that's going to be a score, but he caught it. It was exactly the reverse of the first Kochi Gake actually. When Makinen went for Uchimata, came back. Matlashevskyi, no score. Matlashevskyi gone to respond with it. The Kochi, it was exactly the reverse. Matlashevskyi went for Kochi Gake, and as he turned back, or actually stood up, Makinen flew underneath for a left-sided Uchimata. 45 seconds left for Makinen. 45. He's gonna have to pull everything he's got. He's gonna have to pull everything he's got. Another drop so there from the Ukrainian. Left Uchimata attempt from and another. That has to be. And that's again a reverse of the last one. So Makinen had left Uchimata attempt, came back. Matlashevskyi used the same moment to land underneath and secure a Vasari in addition to the free Yuko he already had. In the meantime, Makinen received the Yuko for his left Uchimata. 5 seconds left. It's got to be a miracle here to happen for Makinen to win this. It has to be a miracle. And that miracle is not today. That miracle is not today, but still, Oskari Makinen has done a terrific job today. A terrific job. There is no reason at all to be disappointed. He's shown one of the best judo today. That's Mykyta Matlashevskyi to win the under 81 kilogram categories final. I'd like to see a friendly goodbye.